Her dear students, Jai Hind and very good morning. Welcome back to our revision session. As you all know, in previous lecture, that is in lecture number 7, we have revised splitting term method in detail. What we want and what we are targeting in today's lecture, as far as the topic of linear equation in one variable is concerned. So, in that, dear student, I want to discuss some of the difficult examples, understand, whose solution we haven't discussed, understand, in our previous regular lectures. And I kept a few examples only for the purpose of taking live interaction with the student, but that not happen possible. So that's why now we have to solve some of the difficult examples of linear equation. We are trying to solve all of them, understand, and you need to be very conscious. We also want to target to solve some of the difficult problems of linear equation. That is also our target. Okay, let us see, and we just want to just take some verification also, understood? So let us take few examples in today's lecture. Okay, see, as you all know, we are continuing the revision of chapter 5, that is algebraic expression. Okay, algebraic expression. And in that we are targeting today revision lecture 8, where we are going to solve some difficult examples. Okay, right? One by one, we want to discuss in today's lecture some of the difficult examples, understood? And what at the time when you attended the regular lectures, if there are some doubts in solving linear equation, you need to be very conscious, understand? I am writing one example here. Please note down the sum and then we will solve it. Okay, The example is like this. Please note down Sol 2x upon 3 not down minus 2x upon 3 minus x minus 6 upon 8. 2x upon 3 minus x minus 8 upon 6 is equals to 2 into bracket 2x plus 19 upon 2x plus upon 9, and this is some new thing which we also want to discuss, and verify your answer. Okay, this is the question. First, you please note down the question. You have to solve this particular equation, and after solving this equation, one another thing, after you solve your equation, then you have to verify your answer. What is actually the meaning of this verification? That we are going to discuss, but first and foremost, we have to solve this linear equation. So, dear student, when I solve this particular equation, if any doubt, please verify each and every step and try to understand. Okay, so let us write the equation. We are doing the first half of the sum. We are not just now doing any verification. We are just trying to solve this linear equation. Let me write it again. Please concentrate. X minus 8 upon 6, and here, dear student, you can open the bracket. This is 4x 2 9 19 ja 38 upon 9. Okay, first step is clear in your mind. Now, what we are going to do after this first step, as you all know, in some of the simpler examples, we have to take LCM, and we have to gather common denominator here by taking LCM of 3, 6 and 9. Obviously, LCM of 3, 6 and 9, obviously 18, you know that. Now, after you have taken LCM, accordingly, let us multiply. Let me write the LCM here. LCM of 3, 6 and 9, that is 18. Let us move accordingly. 2x upon 3. 3 how many ja 18? 6 ja. So multiply 6. Is it clear in your mind? Minus 6 how many ja 18? 3 ja. If you have seen the lecture properly, I have insisted to write 3 this way. 6 3 ja. Okay. Because here is linear polynomial, I would like to write 3 before. You understood this? Next step, check each and every basics. 9 2 ja 18. So here 2 into bracket 4x plus 35. First, dear student, as I told you, when I am explaining any step here, please do not be in a haste to write with me. I will wait for you so that you can see the step written by me comfortably and you are able to write, assess, analyze and understand. Okay? LCM 18, 3 6 ja, 6 3 ja. I have kept 3 here and this is in bracket. Okay? This step properly verified by you. Next step, therefore, 2x into 6, that is 12x, upon 18 minus, here dear student, no mistake whatsoever. This minus sign I have kept as it is. Please be watchful because one sign mistake, the entire example turn out wrong. So please be conscious. This minus sign I have kept as it is. And I am opening the bracket 3x, 3 8 ja 24 upon 18. Okay? Is it clear? Is equal to, open the bracket here, 2 4 ja 8x, 2 8 16 1 7 76 upon 18. Is it clear in your mind how we have solved this? Now, dear student, what I have taught you, after you get common denominator, please mind this, cancel common denominator because it appeared on both the side. Now be very conscious. 12x. Now see, dear student, what I am doing, this minus sign as it is, and I am writing this in bracket. This is very important for you. Okay? Very important. 8x plus 76. Please be watchful in this step. Minus sign as it is in bracket this. Let us now open the bracket. Minus 3x minus plus 24 is equal to 8x plus 76. Please verify each and every step written here. Verify it properly. Is it clear in your mind? Okay. Next step. 12x minus 3x. Like term, I am solving it. 9x plus 24 equal to 8x plus 76. Next step, I have to carry on this half of the board. But is it clear in your mind? Transfer 8x on this side, 24 on other side. Therefore, I am continuing here. 9x, you are transferring 8x on this side, so sign change. Minus 8x, 76 minus 24, 9x minus 8x, that is x, equal to, just subtract 52. So first half of the sum is over. Before I move to the second part of the sum, that is verify your answer, first you look at the sum and then we will go for the next half of the sum, that is the verification. Understand? First you just have a look at this, and my dear student, if you are able to solve all these examples properly, then easier example will be quite in reach of you. But first you need to be very conscious about. Understood? So, have you verified the method, how we have solved this example, why I am doing in revision the difficult example, because, and these are, dear student, these are the caution point you need to concentrate, because I have seen student making mistake maximum in this. So if you don't make any mistake in this, you will get correct answer comfortably. Now it's a question of verify your answer. What does it mean? Verify your answer. Answer we got x equal to 52. What is actually the meaning of verification? Let me explain it to you. Before, dear student, I move to the next half of the sum, I have to erase this solution data from here. Must have written comfortably. I am removing the data from here because we know the answer x equal to 52, that you know. Okay, x equal to 52, that's the answer we got. And now, after we got x equal to 52 as answer, now it's a question of verification. What is the meaning of verification? That I am explaining it to you. Dear student, x equal to 52, that is our answer. Okay. Now verification means, first you will LHS of the equation. Okay. 2x upon 3 minus x minus 8 upon 6. I have written all terms on the left side, which we call left hand side, LHS. We got the answer of x, that is 52. Let us substitute 52 everywhere in place of x. 2 into here 52 upon 3, please concentrate, dear student, minus 52 minus 8 upon 6. Here no cancellation, so just multiply. 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10 upon 3. Okay, minus 52 minus 8. So it would be 44, you understood, upon 6. Now, dear student, take LCM of 3 and 6, that is 6. Multiply accordingly. 2 ja upon 3 2 ja 44. 6 1 ja 44 1 ja. Okay, this is 208 upon 6 minus 44 upon 6. 2 208 minus 44 upon 6. Just subtract it. 8 minus 4, that is 4. 10 minus 4, that is 6. And here because 10 1 upon 6. Okay. Now 164 upon 6. Cancellation, if you want to do, you can do the cancellation. See, you can at least cancel by 2, that's possible. 2 3 ja, and here also you cancellation. Okay, 2 3 ja, 282 ja. So final answer 82 upon 3, result number 1. Be conscious. Now let us go for RHS. What is RHS? 2 into 2x plus 19 upon 9. First open the bracket, 4x plus 38 upon 9. Okay. After doing this, you have to replace the value of x, 4 into bracket 52 plus 38 upon 9. Okay. 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20, 208 plus 38 upon 9. Is it clear? Right? 208 plus 38 upon 9, you got this. And now just add it. 8 plus 8, 16, 1, 4, 246 upon 9. If you just cancel by 2 or 3, you will get 3 3 ja, 382 ja. You got 82 upon 3, result number 2. You see, my dear student, we got x equal to 52. We replaced x equal to 52 on LHS and on RHS, and we got 82 upon 3 in LHS, 82 upon 3 in RHS. That means your answer x equal to 52 is correct. Understand, this is called verification. So you can write that, therefore, from result 1 and 2, it is, this is the way you have to write, it is verified. Okay. Just look at the sum, dear student, before we go to solve one more difficult example of this type. First you just have a look at the sum. Okay. Then we will go for another example. Okay. Is it clear in your mind? Can we go for yet one more difficult example? Let's do it. Okay. Let me write the example. And in this new example, dear student, actually I am not giving SLP of this example, right? My target is one only, that you should understand what were your weak points in solving these equations, okay? That is very important. I am writing sum number 2. What is that? Okay, let me take difficult only. Solve 2 upon 3 into bracket 4x minus 1 minus in bracket 4x minus 1 minus 3x upon 2 is equal to x minus 7 upon 2. This is the example. 2 upon 3 4x minus 1 minus 4x minus 1 minus 3x upon 2 equal to x minus 7 upon 2, and verify, okay, your answer. This is the question. First, before I explain this example to you, first you just try to catch, to understand the concept which you can apply, okay? Just clear in your mind, okay? If you can. First half of the example, that is to solve the given equation first, and after you solve, then we have to verify the answer, okay? First you need to solve. Okay, let me write. We are writing the equation now, dear student. As we are trying to solve the equation, what you should do? Check your basics again. 2 upon 3 into bracket 4x minus 1. So 2 open this bracket, only numerator will multiply, not denominator. Make quite clear, okay? Let me write 2 4 ja 8x, 2 1 ja 2 upon 3, okay? Now, dear student, here let us open the bracket. Minus 4x, you understood this? Minus minus plus 1 minus 3x upon 2 is equal to x minus 7 upon 2. First, verify the steps we have done, okay? First, you need to verify the steps we have done here. No denominator appears here, so you can place 1, okay? And now let us take the LCM of all denominator 3, 2, 6 is the LCM. No need to write it, just carry the steps. Okay, here 3, 2 ja, so 2 has to be written preceding this linear polynomial. Okay, minus 1 6 ja 4x into 6. Please check all the steps we are doing plus here 2 3 ja 3 will precede this linear polynomial equals to 2 3 ja 3 will precede this linear polynomial. First you please verify the steps done by us. Okay? Is it clear? After this, let us open the bracket here. 16x minus 2 to ja 4. Please try to understand upon 6. Minus 4x into 6, 24 upon 6 plus open the bracket 3 1 ja 3 3 3 ja 9x upon 6 open the bracket 3x 3 7 ja 21 upon 6. Okay, verify the steps. Is it clear in your mind? Let us cancel common denominator here and write the terms in the numerator 16x minus 4 minus 24. Here plus sign, you understood dear students, so as it is 3x minus 21. If here would have been negative sign, suppose, so you must have written minus in bracket 3 minus 9x, that you must be knowing. Okay, now let us solve the like term. 16x minus 9x, that is 7x, minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 minus this minus 25 is equal to 3x minus 21. Let us transfer 7x minus 3x minus 21 plus 25. 4x understood equal to 4. X equal to 4 upon 4, that is 1. First you verify, dear student. Then we will go for verification part of the sum. But first you need to understand this, because it happened, and I know that when while you attend the video lecture sometime you may not be able to write with me, the handset also sometime appear. That's why I am giving enough time to look at the step, and please note down your basics, note down each and every step and how you got the answer x equal to 1, that you need to verify first. Okay, that's my target. Just 1 minute for complete verification, then we will go for the second half of the sum, that is verification part. Okay, is it, can I erase the data? Is it clear in your mind? X equal to 1. Okay, let me erase this data to comfort the explanation of next half of the sum. Okay, next half sum. What to write, dear student? X equal to 1 we got. First let us write LHS 2 upon 3 4x minus 1 minus 4x minus 1 minus 3x upon 2. We have written LHS, left hand side, as you know. And now what we are doing? We are just going to play, okay, the value of x. What answer you got? X equal to 1, that you all know very well. Let us substitute here. 2 upon 3, 4, x means 1 minus 1. Please verify this. 4 into x means 1 minus 1 minus 3 into bracket 1 upon 2. Okay, wherever there was x variable, we substituted x equal to 1 there. Okay, now let us verify. 2 upon 3. This is 4 1 ja 4 minus 1. 4 1 ja 4 minus 1 minus 3 upon 2. Okay, 2 upon 3 into bracket 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus 2, that is 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 upon 2. This is cancelled. Okay, 2 minus, cancel it, minus 1. Okay, So minus in bracket 4 minus minus 1. Okay, please verify. 2 minus 4 plus 1. You understood? 2 minus 5 equal to minus 3. Result number 1. Please verify, dear student, before I move to RHS. Understood? First you need to verify. Here also I have seen student making simple mistake in substitution and solving. So this needs to be made very clear. You need to apply your logic properly and solve the example. We got minus 3. Okay. Now, dear student, let us go for RHS. What is RHS? X minus 7 upon 2. Value of x is 1. 1 minus 7 upon 2. Minus 6 upon 2. Just cancel. Minus 3. You got result number 2. What you can verify from the result, result 1 and result 2 both appears equal. So your answer x equal to 1 which you got is correct. You understood? This is called verification, that once you got answer of the variable x equal to 1 we got, then you need to substitute that answer in LHS and in RHS, and you need to verify that you get correct answer. Okay. So what will you write at the end, dear student? Therefore, from result 1 and 2, from result 1 and 2, it is verified. This way to write. From result 1 and 2, it is verified. Okay. See, dear students, still two or three more example we will practice in the next revision lecture. But before that, please see both the difficult example you have solved. Okay. And you need to just make your concept very clear. Once you make your concept and your basics clear, you will be able to answer. You get the correct answer and correct verification of any example. You understood, my dear student? Is it okay? We will practice some more example in next lecture. Okay. Means maybe some different type. Okay. Thank you very much.